Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using the LitCommerce app. In this video, you'll learn how to create rules for your product feeds. Before we start, let's cover the basics. Rules allow you to quickly optimize and enrich product data, minimize the manual editing for each item. Each rule comprises 3 sections. If defines the conditions to filter products. Then specifies actions for the filtered products. And else, an optional section, defines actions for the remaining products. Now let's create a rule. First, click Add Rule, then enter a rule name to get started. Next, set the if condition to filter the products you want to target with this rule. Now add actions in the then section to apply changes to the selected products. You can also use the else to specify changes for products that don't meet the condition. Once satisfied, click Save Rule. You can review your changes in the Item Count section. Selected items displays the number of items that meet the if conditions. Before this rule shows the total items in the feed before applying the rule. After this rule shows the total items in the feed after the rule is applied. To add another rule, simply click Add Rule in the Rule Name section. You can create multiple rules and rearrange them easily by dragging and dropping. You can also disable rules to exclude them from the rule execution by click the button in the top right corner. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and manage rules. Want to learn more? Watch our next video on field mapping. Thanks for watching and happy selling!